Greetings everyone, this is Manisha. I welcome you all in my second video of Introduction to Programming Language C. In this video, we are going to learn to write a program to have this phrase hello world on user screen. Usually we used to handle two types of screens when we talk about programming languages. One is called instruction screen or coding screen, and other one is called user screen or output screen. On instruction screen, we used to write our programs, and on user screen, we used to see the result of the program, the output of the program. Let's start writing the codes. When we start coding in language C, we start with a hash. Hash is called a preprocessor. This is called a preprocessor. As the name suggests, it is a preprocessor. That means what all should happen before starting the execution of your main program. Now, what is the need of this hash processor here is to inform your compiler that what all header files are required for this program. Header files include all the predefined functions which helps you to create your own main function. Now, with the help of this preprocessor, how we can include that file? There is an instruction that's called include itself. Include less than stdio.h and bracket close. stdio.h have predefined functions which are related to input output on user screen. The full form of this file is standard input output, and .h means it is a header file. The next header file which is required here is include conio.h console input output .h says it is a header file. After including these two files, we'll start with our void main function. Void space main and brackets. From the next line, we'll start a curly bracket, and within these two brackets, we are going to write the body of this main function. Let's see the body of the main function. First instruction we have given in our program is clear screen. That means the user screen needs to be cleared first. In the next line, we will write the next function in our program, which is printf. Printf is a predefined function, and the task of this function is to print any phrase or any string that is given within the double quotes. That is given within the double quotes here to print this string on the user screen. So here we are going to write hello world, and the last instruction we are going to give here is get ch. Right now here we have given three instructions to our program, and at the end of each instruction I have put a semicolon. Right, this is also called a terminator. It says that one line of code has terminated here. Right, so that is why at the end of each instruction I have put a semicolon. Right, so first instruction we have given clear screen, to clear the screen, the user screen, and then printf hello world. Now this function will print the string here hello world, and then The task of getCH function is to halt the screen so that you can see the output of your program. And then we have closed this main function. Right? This was our first program in the language C. This is the simplest form of this program. Right? I hope you have understood this program and you will be benefited out of it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.